So, you're interested in leveraging AI and YouTube to generate income, but you might be unsure about where to begin. Fortunately, you've stumbled upon someone who can guide you through the process. These YouTube channels, solely dedicated to narrating spine-tingling tales, have amassed significant followings and, astonishingly, generate monthly earnings ranging from 20 to 50K. What if you could compete with them, harnessing the power of AI? Today, I'll comprehensively demonstrate to you how to establish a faceless YouTube channel mirroring their approach, using AI tools exclusively. This entails AI-generated stories, AI-driven voiceovers, and even AI-produced visuals. The cherry on top. You can monetize it on YouTube in 2023. If that piques your interest, stay tuned and let's embark on this venture together. Now let's commence. First and foremost, you'll need to create a brand new YouTube channel. Head to youtube.com, click on the Sign In button, opt for Use Another Account, and proceed to create an account with the provided details, folks. When choosing a Gmail address, opt for a robust and lengthy password. Great! Now enter your birth date and specify your gender. Agree to the terms of service, and you're done. Now head back to YouTube, click on your account in the top right corner, and select Create a Channel. Oops, it appears we need a channel name. No problem. Let's head over to ChatGPT for some inspiration. I requested 20 unique and original names for a scary story YouTube channel, and here's what I got. Impressive, right? The name Creepy Chronicles has a certain allure to it. Let's go with that. Now, let's proceed. Click on Create Channel. There you go. It looks good, but we still need a channel logo. Let's design one, with Midjourney doing the heavy lifting. I provided it with this prompt. Create a logo for a spooky story YouTube channel. It really can't get any more straightforward. It's done. That fourth option looks particularly appealing. Midjourney now comes with a monthly cost of $10, but it's truly unrivaled in terms of AI image generation. Let's upscale that fourth image and use it as our YouTube logo. It's simply outstanding. Now let's pick up where we left off. Just click on Edit Profile Picture. Now we're inside the YouTube studio. Click on Upload and select your logo. Since it's already the correct size, simply click Done and then hit Publish. Oh my goodness, does that look enticing? But wait for a second. We're missing a banner. Let's quickly head back to Midjourney and create our spooky channel banner. I used the prompt. Design a YouTube channel banner for a scary story channel with Unreal Engine 5 high-octane rendering. Then I added -AR5:1 to ensure the image dimensions are wide enough to serve as a banner. That top right one is perfect. A channel banner of this quality would set you back over $100 if created by a graphic designer. Now we just need to go to canva.com to turn the image into a channel banner. It's a free graphic design platform, so simply sign up. Now let's go to Create a Design. We're going to search for YouTube banner. Click on the first option. Click on it and resize it until it fits within the green area. We're finished. Now, simply go to the top right button that says Share and download that masterpiece. Alright, we're back in the YouTube studio and it's time to upload that finished banner. With that done, proudly hit that Publish button. Let's have a look. With our channel already looking so good, it's time to move on to creating some videos. To kick things off, let's check out our competition's channel and see which of their videos are raking in the most views. Would you look at that? 1.6 million views on a video posted just 3 months ago. The title reads, 4 Terrifying True Night Drive Horror Stories. But let's be honest with ourselves here. We all know those stories aren't true. So why not create our very own fictional horror story with the help of ChatGPT? I fed the bot this prompt. Write me an original, scary, and captivating 1,000-word horror story about a night drive gone terribly wrong, told from a first-person perspective. And just like that, it's done. We've got the story, but now we need a voice to narrate it. The AI voices these days are mind-blowingly realistic. They can convey emotions, tone, and other nuances that make a voice sound truly human. Plus, YouTube will monetize videos with these AI voices because they sound just like real humans talking. You see, YouTube only demonetizes those robotic-sounding AI voices. You know, the ones that sound downright awful. Now, the website we'll be using to harness our ultra-realistic AI voice is called 11 Labs. This site is top-notch when it comes to creating AI voices that sound incredibly natural. So don't hesitate. Click Sign Up. You know the drill. Sign up with your Gmail. But first, be sure to agree to those terms. Now let's talk about the pricing plans. The free version gives you a generous 10,000 characters per month, which is great. However, many other YouTubers might not tell you that the free version doesn't come with a commercial license. In other words, you can use it for your videos, but you'll need to credit the website in your video description. So you may use the free version or opt for the paid ones. It's up to you. Once you're logged in, head over to Speech Synthesis, and then click Add Voice. Now click Voice Design. You'll see 4 simple options: gender, age, accent, and accent strength. Customize these to your liking, and then hit the Generate button at the bottom to test how it sounds. Remember, we want a spooky voice, so keep hitting Generate until you find a good candidate. Boom! First try, and it sounds perfect. Anyhow, the next step is to copy the story from ChatGPT and then paste it into 11 Labs. When you're ready, hit that Generate button and prepare to witness the magic unfold. Now hit the Download button on the bottom right, and let's move on to the final steps. All we need for our video now is a spooky picture to use as the visual. I'm going to use the following prompt: a scary story YouTube thumbnail of a man driving a car at night on a deserted street, realistic, spooky, 4K AR-16:9. Wow, these options look stunning. Still, I'll choose the bottom right one for the thumbnail and the top left one as the background image for the video. These images will complement our story perfectly. Now let's put it all together. First, go to YouTube and grab some copyright-free spooky music. This will set the mood just right. Download it as an MP3 file and then fire up your preferred video editing software. I personally use Premiere Pro, but any free video editor will do the trick by following the same steps. Now, here's the secret sauce. Apply your ad voiceover to your spooky picture from Midjourney and add in that haunting soundtrack. Blend them all, and voila, you're done. It would be ideal to whip up 2 to 3 more stories, so the video can be a bit longer. But you've got the hang of it. It's pretty darn straightforward. Now let's quickly whip up that captivating thumbnail using Canva. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Upload your scary thumbnail from Midjourney, and there you have it. Click on it and resize it as needed. Now, add the text: Night Drive Horror Stories. To give it that extra spooky vibe, let's make the text red and maybe even add a text effect to make it pop. Done. Now, just download it. Congratulations! All that's left to do is upload the video to YouTube. Stay consistent, and you'll surely start raking in those views. We hope that someone among you will benefit from this video. If you find this information valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing, useful money-making hacks like this. Additionally, check out this video titled "Watch One Video and Get $75" for another exciting money-making opportunity. That's all for today, fam.